I'm Smjk.
I'm Kylie.
I am Smjk.
I am Kwang and we are from Smjk Kwang. Today, we are going to introduce our product, the REBS chair. It is a chair for us to sit and store our bag without placing it on the floor. Truth, it helped a lot in our school life.
What's the back of it? I'm sorry. I hope you put it on your chair like this. But you see, it's like this. If I put it on my chair, there is literally no space left for me to sit. What am I supposed to do?
There is limited classroom space and therefore students normally put their bags on the chair, but this reduces sitting space and causes discomfort. Besides that, a great number of broken chairs with damaged legs were found, which is a waste to throw but limits our school compound to keep. Moreover, our school canteen packages food items such as french fries with plastic bags, which creates a huge amount of plastic waste. Improper disposal of these bags by some students causes the school canteen to be messy and dirty.
We have designed a new chair to help solve the problem stated above. The chairs with damaged or broken legs from our school will serve as the main material for our new chair. This helps to ensure that they do not go to waste and continue serving their purpose. Since the chair's legs are broken, we'll replace them with plastic bottles filled with plastic packaging, also known as eco-bricks. This helps to counter the overflowing rubbish bins in schools and helps the environment. The chair will also have a compartment underneath, allowing students to slide their bags in. This helps to save space in the classroom without students worrying about their bag getting dirty or falling out, thanks to a base made out of cardboard and sides and closed with eco-bricks.
For our product, we mostly use paper and plastics as the main component. Plastic bottles full of plastic packaging, known as eco-bricks, will make up the box underneath the chair. Plastic string will be woven into a web covering the top. Lastly, a broken plastic school chair. This product is very cheap to make as the materials are recycled. Only a few are store-bought, including the glue, plastic string, and the water spray paint.